How to add phone number to Discord. So if you want to add your phone number to your Discord account to make the Discord account more secure, or by adding another security layer to your Discord account like 2FA to your account, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add your phone number to your Discord account on mobile, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Discord app on your phone. Once open the Discord application, the next one to do is go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then you'll be taken to your profile page on Discord. Then the next one to do is go ahead and click on the settings G icon on the top right. Once you selected the settings G icon on the top right, you'll be taken to your Discord account settings page. Here you have access to different information where you can easily customize how your Discord works. Then go ahead and click on accounts under account settings. Now once you selected accounts, you'll be taken to your account information and how you sign into your account. Then go ahead, click on phone number. Then here you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Now, once you type in your phone number, go ahead, verify your phone number. Once you verify your phone number on Discord, your phone number will be added to your Discord account. So that is basically how to add phone number on Discord. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.